Hi, I'm Darren from Foodcube, and this is a Foodcube. It's an Australian-made raised garden wicking bed. Well, what makes it a wicking bed? It's got a great big water reservoir underneath. It holds 110 litres of water, which is about a week's worth of water in summer and about a month's worth of water in winter. You simply fill the top full of soil. The soil sits on these soil trays and goes right down into the wicking cones. The wicking cones are submerged in the water reservoir and they wick the water right up to the root zone for the plants. The plants absolutely love it, as you can see behind me. Now, to water, you simply put a hose in the top here and that fills up the reservoir underneath. And when there's too much water, such as a large rain event, you don't have to worry about your Foodcube flooding because we've got overflow pipes on either end of the Foodcube that will drain any excess water. These overflow pipes swivel and allow you to adjust the level of the water in the Foodcube reservoir, depending on seasonal requirements. For instance, during cooler or wetter months, plants need less water and the water levels can be set down low and raised up to full height over the hotter summer months when plants need more water or if you're going away for a few days. As the water level drops in between waterings, an air gap opens up in between the bottom of the soil and the top of the water reservoir, allowing air to come in through these vents on either corner of the Foodcube, allowing the Foodcube to stay healthy, aerated and aerobic. The filler ports and the overflows are designed to keep mosquitoes out. The overflow ports also come off. We've got couplings that go on and they allow you to scale Foodcubes from a single Foodcube, which you might have in your own backyard, to a great big farm where you have tens or even hundreds of Foodcubes all linked together, making it very, very easy for you to maintain a large garden. We make Foodcube here in Melbourne out of 80% recycled plastic. We work with the confectionery industry to take their packaging waste and turn it into these Foodcubes. To that waste, we add UV stabilizers, so Foodcube is going to last more than 10 years out in the harsh Australian environment. If you cover it in something like one of our cladding sets, it will then last even longer. Foodcubes can be set up directly on the ground, on a firm surface, or on a raised platform like we have here. So if you'd like to learn more about Foodcube, you can find out more at foodcube.com.au.